Hey guys, welcome back to our third episode of Universal Rocks. We're gonna be checking in. I wanna show you guys all of the cool things that we've been using Universal Rocks for in my current renovation. So I wanna give you guys an update because it has been a couple months. So welcome first to my renovation project here. We're in the basement of my house and we have been doing a renovation here for probably over 3 years. So it's definitely coming together. I want to show you guys this rock wall here because this is so cool. This rock wall can look very different depending on the time of day. We have lights shining up that create this sort of, I want to say it almost looks like there is an ancient alien in the rock that was built in, but that no accident there, or was there an accident? I don't know. So yeah, this is the rock here. This is actually not real rock. It's by Universal Rock, but I mean, just the look of it and even the feeling of it, you may not know. I've actually had people come over and they can't tell the difference between the real rock in my house and the fake rock. But it's just so cool that you can get all of these different patterns and textures just in the rock itself. And then we've just installed it to the wall here, and you can see that we've kind of made it look like it has been, like the wood was carved around the rock. So I'm really loving this material here. And this is actually one of their, they have these other separate sold panels that can just be placed anywhere, and it can help to conceal little things like we have a light back there. So yeah, this is our new addition here, this rock wall. And if you remember last time, we went over this part here. This is our koi pond, we're still working on that. So the steam cave is all complete, so come on, come check it out. This is amazing. If you like Disneyland as much as I do, then you will definitely want to experience the steam cave. This is utilizing, we have real rock and we have the Universal Rock, creating this mine shaft, sort of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs feel. Here is our Universal Rock and here's our real rock. Can you tell the difference? I love it because we have been able to make a seamless transition between our real rock and the Universal Rock. I just love how we can take the wood and the rock material and kind of make it feel like you're actually in some sort of mine shaft here. And last, I want to show you guys an update on our tropical bathroom. Come on! So here is our tropical bathroom. We are still midway under renovation here, but it is coming together. We got the skylight in. Woo! So right here, we're gonna have our rainfall shower. So you can imagine taking a nice shower right in the midst of this jungle, which eventually it will be a jungle. Got the skylight right over you. And then the Universal Rocks is gonna come all the way up, creating this sort of light beam portal. With the Universal Rock panels, they are flexible, so you can move them around, manipulate them the way that you need to so that they can fit around your existing structure, and you can create cool little features like this, which could hold, in this case, your soap. This whole wall eventually is going to be all rock. This will be all rock material. So put on your imagination cap right now. Imagine all of this will be rock. So on the next video, you guys will see, hopefully you'll see this all completed. So right now we're hoping to get this tropical bathroom ready in the next 2 months. So on our next video, we'll give you an update on the tropical bathroom. All right, well that's it for this week's Universal Rocks renovation project update. We have so many more exciting updates to come. All right, I'll see you guys next time.